and gals, Mike here from Arrigo Outdoor Adventures. Today I am here to sell the John boat. If you go back on my home channel, you'll see that I have a playlist for the restoration of this John boat that we did last year. I need to sell it. I need you to hit me up. Let's do an overview of the boat, what we have. Right here, close up, we have a hatch I put in here because the plan was to put a battery in here with the trolling motor. So there's plenty of room for that. Right now you can use it for storage for all your fishing and boating needs. We got the seat up here. We have the new navigation lights. Of course, it has a nice new paint job on it. And everything's sealed, nothing leaks. Everything pretty much is brand new. It comes with everything. We have a storage hatch here. Of course, swivel seat, another storage hatch on the other side. Anchor. Comes with a Helix 7 fish finder. All ready to roll. Third seat. Come over here and let's show them the battery compartment. There's the battery compartment. We have a cutoff switch for the motor before you start it. This is a 1972 or 3, I'm not positive, one of them. 18 horse Evinrude tiller motor, purrs like a kitten, runs like brand new. I installed an electric start push button, fires right up. The boat has a bilge pump in it. Now let's show the trailer. These are highway tires. I had these put on last year. I took it 600 miles to Pennsylvania and back, no problem. Brand new hubs with the bearings included, all brand new. All brand new trailer lights, waterproof trailer lights, all installed. Marker lights. We have spare tire for it. That is also a highway tire. Brand new winch. Brand new safety chain. Brand new trailer jack. Brand new tongue. Like I said, all new trailer lights wired up, and of course the safety chain. So if you are interested in this, I am located in East Tennessee. Email me at arrigooutdooradventures@gmail.com. That is one word, arrigooutdooradventures@gmail.com.